Wagwan people, you don't know your boy Jnel. So watch out, me post a video, a good while, probably like a month or so ago. When me I say, yo, if you don't have any questions for ask about trick question and this and that, and I leave it in a comment. You see me? But this video is long overdue. You see me? So finally I get it now. So watch out now. Me I go on to the first question. What motivated you to shift from comedy to trick question videos? And also, can you make more Jamaicans try or never have I ever video? Alright, what motivated me to shift from the comedy? For all who never know, you see me, we used to do like some comedy skits with my friend them. You don't know, man them big up on themselves. You see me? So we used to do some comedy skits for all who never know Jnel from them time there. However, the skits them did that work, but it never did that work because we had to do it for a good while without, like no change, like no drastic change, if you know what I mean. I mean, people are watch it and them look think that, but it never like I grow the channel up on a level where we had do YouTube for years and we had do the comedy skits for years and nothing really go on. You understand? So I tell myself I'm gonna try trick question because I've been try it for a long time. So I finally try trick question, everything just start boom from right there. So that's how we shift from the comedy to trick question. Make Jamaicans try and never ever. Alright, to be honest. Alright, to be honest, never ever and the Jamaicans try. I really want to bring back them thing there. But when it comes to the Jamaicans try, forget products, after a while, after we do so much like episodes, after a while we start with kind of like I run out of products and we are trying to search the products and now find one. So that's when we decided to say, yo, forget a break. And then at the same time, the room we turn in our studio, it's no longer a studio anymore. So if we do Jamaicans try, it wouldn't be that easy. We'd have to pay some whole heap of money for like, just to book the studio for an hour. And most of the time when we do Jamaicans try, we're there for 5 hours. You see me? So certain studio, I like $7 grand an hour and them good thing there. So imagine, calculate that. It's crazy. But Jamaicans try and never have I ever. Probably not get back one of them soon. You see me? Or both of them soon. Right, so the next question, right? Greetings to you, my brother. Great work. How do you keep your composure in the way that you do when the people surrounding you saying all kind of wrong answers to your question? How do you have such good memory of remembering someone you see 1 or 2 or even more years ago? Bless up. Alright, so the first part of the question, G. How I keep my composure? Honestly, I feel like I keep the composure because I'm a personality. You see me? Me are not the type for like bust out and laugh when people are chat foolishness unless I'm a friend them. Me have to keep it professional. Even though whosoever me are interviewing a professional, but at the end of the day, me have to keep it kind of professional. Like imagine me interview the people them. You get me I say and them chat foolishness. You see me? And me they did laugh as the host. You get me I say to me a 1 and 2 times we break out a character and laugh, we laugh and you see me laugh and walk off or and come back. You see me, like what I can always make me do. You see me? But at the end of the day, I'm not going to bust out and laugh and them little thing there. It kind of got distract the video. You see me? So, when the people them feel laugh off of what the person them must say, you get to me, I say, them a laugh off of me a laugh. Or, people can find that very corny. Like, yeah, them chat foolishness. What you a laugh and I go and say for? Load the viewers them to do it. And at the end of the day, you see me, I'm my type of personality that. If you know what I mean. Unless me there on my friend them. Or I remember the people in my face 1 and 2 years ago or blah blah blah. Trust me as a person, once me see you one time, once me have an interaction with you one time, me I go remember your face. You understand? Especially if you're there at the same area. It I go just me just I go remember your face if you're in the same area and them look thing there. So most of the people them when we do trick question and I see them back, them always a big me up or ear me up and them look thing there. Some of them feel like I never gonna remember them face and this and that and blah blah blah, but trust me, I remember, me, a Jnel, you see me, I not forget things, it's just like that. You ever think about collaborating with other YouTubers, you see me? Whether comedy or a full flag movie? Well, for that question, I would do a lot of collaborations with YouTubers, you see me? During the Jamaican strike, so we did actually collab with other YouTubers, you get me? And whether comedy or full-fledged movie, I think a flag in the first, just a while ago a flag, I say full-fledged movie. Alright, for telling the truth in the people, when it comes on to movie, I'm big on, want to create a movie. I actually spend a lot of money over the years, you see me, for investing in equipment and stuff like that for the movies, because I always talk about it. Now, the last investment what me did do, you understand, is invest in audio equipment where them use that for like movie site and them little thing there. You see me? But you know, I get robbed because I spend over 100,000 to get that equipment, which is an audio thing. I don't know if whosoever do filmmaking, you see me? The audio thing where you connect the boom mic to and you hold up boom mic and them thing there. That professional, that's me that I aim for. You see me? I'm send the person the money for start out it, and I don't know what them take the money do. You see me? Up to all now, I not hear back from the person. But I talk about some 3 years ago now. You see me? And that audio equipment to me that wait for, that alone me the one just to start show the movie. You see me? Because I start write script, I start do this, I start look persons if you participate, and then send the dog the money for him buy, because I don't know overseas them thing there. You see me? And I want somebody to bring it to him because that got cheaper that way than customs, because customs are, you know what I mean? Because everybody know about customs, you know. They know say customs are ramp when it come on to certain things. You see me? So when customs ready for, you know, imagine me I spend 100,000. I probably have to spend 100 and next 100,000 just to clear the product. First thing I want to say that your show is very entertaining. I've been watching you for years, and my least favorite part is when you take break. My question is why you only come to Mobile once? Alright, your least favorite part is when I take break, but if you look into it, I really have to take a break. You understand? I can't just keep on doing it. You see me? Or else the lifespan of the show are gonna be short. You see me? Like when I get a lot of episodes, but the show got short. You see me? So if me did keep on doing it, because remember I start 2018. You see me? If me did keep on doing it by 2019, 20, you know, I would do so much episode to the point where I would have episode for the 21, 22, 23, if you know what I mean. So I have to take a break. Why you only come to Mobile once? Alright. Why I only come to Mobile once? Most people don't know say how a Kingston I come from. You see me? And from Kingston to Mobile, I know an easy journey. Not saying I'm not willing to. First time we go Mobile, which is me and Boon, we actually take bus and taxi. You see me? And it did very tiring and stuff like that. No, we have transportation now. We have car and thing now. But the other thing is, it's going to be so much expensive to reach Mobile. You see me? You know, I not have to take the toll, but if you not take the toll, I'm more gas. You see me? On the toll, for go, just call it, say, for go and come on the toll, just call it, say, $4,000. You see me? For go Mobile and come back, you know, at least $7-8 gas. You get what I say? But I plan for go there, you know. This season, I'm going to definitely get a Mobile show. You understand? I'm going to definitely get a Mobile show. Don't worry yourself. Alright, next question. Hi, my question. We all know your specialty is trick question, and we see that you're the master of it. No doubt. When you see other YouTubers going to that sector because they see you climbing the ladder, what impact does that have on your career, or how it affect you mentally? Honestly, it don't affect me at all, to tell you the truth. Like, yeah, I know I'm the master of trick question and this and that and blah blah blah. That no means that other people not gonna do it. You understand? Remember, I not own trick question, I not own the question them. You see me? So if other person want to try it, I don't have a problem. You see me? But me know say at the end of the day when me start do back, because me already have a fan base, and as I say, me the master of it. Me know so by the time I come back and start my thing again, you see me? It a go just booming again. You understand? Because the vibe when I give off, the you know, the vibe, the entertainment, every little thing, the editing and them little thing there. You see me? I'm not gonna say top notch, but it's all good to the point where if somebody have to try like duplicate or something like that, I don't want to say duplicate because I'm me. You understand? And I'm me to come up with trick question like I'm not own trick question. If you don't get to me, I say. You see me? So when other people do it, I don't have a problem. You see me? I can't have a problem. If I have a problem, that means I'm a bad mind. You see me? And I'm not that type of person. You get me? So if anybody want to do trick question, I can't stop them to do what I do. You see me? The food out there for everybody. You see me? So yeah. Yo, what go on Jnel, bad man? Is it hard to do all the trick questions and get people to cooperate? Alright. Honestly, for the trick question people, it's not easy. If you get person for cooperate, it's even harder. You get me? So why I say that is, most of the time you have to convince people, and then there's a time when you convince them and them do it. And then them say, yo, watch out, delete it and them the good thing there. You see me? There's times when we walk up to people professionally. When I mean like professionally, I mean like we walk up to them professional, good afternoon, this and that, blah blah blah. Them looking at our hand and see the mic and say, no man, move from here, so. We don't want none of that here, so none of that. And some of the time I have to say, no man, we're not going to just come and video here like, you see me? Some of the time people can be very like aggressive. You get what I say? Like we walk up to people, camera down, you see me, mic in my hand, we walk up to them with you know, with personality, and them just look. You know when people are talking to you, them look on you, look and you see me, and they see all the camera and say, no man, move for yourself with that man. We don't want none of that yourself. None of that we don't want yourself. You see me? So there's times when I go road, you see me, and the way people react, me I say, yo, why don't you even react that way? You understand? And you know, so some of the time it's hard, and then most of the time, you know, a good percent of the people will stop, they not participate. You see me? And we can't force them to. But at the end of the day, we still have to walk and a search and walk and a search. And sometimes, you know, eye contact kind of make it more easy, because you have some people out there, once they look at you, you know, you have to approach them because they might look. You get what I say? And then you have some of them who just see her pass and be like, what kind of TV thing that? You see me? I want to know, once you see them ask that, they more likely let me participate. You see me? So it's hard at times, and what make it even harder some of the time at the sun, because we have to walk up and down in a sun at time. I tell you, say sun at people like sun. Trust me. Will you come do 3 questions in London? Maybe one day. You see me? As soon as we get the opportunity for fly to London, I will definitely do 3 questions in London. Next question. Why you expose the senseless people them jokes? Continue putting the work. Big up yourself, you don't know. And why me I expose the senseless people? Well, nobody not senseless, you know. I just the trick questions them senseless. So the question them bring out, you know, something where, because I see some people are intelligent as, you see me? And when we question them a different thing. And then you have some people who say, yo, when them there, them you have to watch, you know, them always answer, them always this, them always that, you see me? But in front of the camera, just different, you see me? Next one. Walk on with Boone and whatever his name, your sidekick, Boone reactions, I think. Yeah man, Boone good enough. You all who ask about Boone, you see me, Boone good, you see me? Boone currently overseas, so he's no longer in Jamaica no more, you see me? But, you know, when he forward back, I don't want to ask a question. When he forward back, probably by next year or something like that. You see me, dog I work on some things where, you know, he more mentally good, financially, and them little thing there. So the dog have a aim, you see me, and the dog go feed. So in a period of time, you know, I'm going to just forward back and say, yo, watch out now. Bam, 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 enjoy myself, and, you know, probably go back to work, I'm not sure. Is it? Next question. Where is your favorite place to make videos? Favorite place? Downtown Kingston. You don't know me now left out Downtown Kingston, you know. Next place, Half a Tree. Now left out Half a Tree. Next place, Spanish Town. So Downtown Kingston, Half a Tree and Spanish Town, always a boom. You see me? I know if you watch the episode them, anytime or just a season, anytime I touch Downtown Kingston, Half a Tree or Spanish Town, murder. When I say murder, murder. I'm supposed to know that already. So them place are my favorite place. Put the answers in the description of the video. Alright, the reason why I now do that is that people are watch and them are cheat. You see me? So I don't want nobody to go to the description and you see me, it's going kind of take away from the show if you now watch it on TV. You see me? Alright. Say for instance, show a go on. I ask the question. Some people pause the video and I try to think about it for answer. You see me? And then go in the comments and look and then this and that. You see me? I don't want that. I want people that interact. So say for instance, a whole family sit down and watch a show, right? I ask a question, the whole family pause the TV and the whole family I think and they interact with each other. And them think they make the show more, you know, interesting. You see me? If the answer go up on the screen or there in the description, it'll kind of spoil everybody look with joy. And, you know, imagine you sit down with the family and eat dinner and, you know, trick question I go on and, you know, you eat and you just pause and I say, yo, mommy no, it can't be that, mommy, that's silly. You know what I'm way? And they might interact with each other. It kind of make the show more, you know? Yeah, so I don't want to put no spoilers in them. I don't want to have the answers them now put down so that nobody can go look quick and then come answer the question. You see me? And basically cheat. My first question, where did you get these trick questions from? Alright, some of them I make up and some of them I Google. You see me? And I'm not going to say, me make up all of them and I make this and I make that. You see me? Most of them I Google, most of them I make up and them everything there. Yeah. This is the last one. Last question, right? What has made you continue asking trick questions? Does it have anything to do with culture of Jamaican people and their response? Alright, why me continue? You see me? The reason why I continue is because people love it. You know, I'm not gonna deny that. People, nobody can deny that. People love it. People always look out for it. You get me? I say, and at the end of the day, me enjoy doing it. Me enjoying like going up on the road, interacting with people and stuff like that, because you know I'm my thing that when it comes to YouTube. So yeah, that's the reason why I continue. You see me, as I say, people love it. You know, and the number one show for Jnel comedy. So yeah, we just have to do it. And that was the last question, I think. You see me? So you don't know, big up everybody who I watch right now. Remember to like the video, because I know that you guys are like the video. You see me? So thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. If you want to watch the last 3 questions or the last 2 recent 3 questions, you know me, I can put one right here, so and right here. So and if you want to subscribe to the channel, if you're new and you want to subscribe, I put the subscription thing right there, so you just click that and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna edit that video right now and drop it today. So you don't know your boy Jnel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.